Welcome to today's video, Botanical Gardens and Their Importance, Exploring the World of Plants. Botanical gardens have a fascinating history that dates back to ancient civilizations, serving as centers for plant cultivation and study. These gardens play a significant role in our world today, acting as hubs for plant conservation, research, and education. Throughout this video, we will dive into the many aspects of botanical gardens and their importance. First, we'll examine the role of botanical gardens in plant conservation, including their efforts in preserving plant biodiversity, ex situ conservation, and collaboration with international conservation organizations. We'll also explore the research and education initiatives that botanical gardens undertake, such as scientific research on plant species and their habitats, providing educational programs and resources for the public, and offering training opportunities for professionals in botany and horticulture. Stay tuned to learn about the diverse roles of botanical gardens, from their function as living museums to their impact on urban environments and contributions to community engagement and citizen science. We'll also discuss notable botanical gardens worldwide and future developments and challenges they face. Join us as we embark on this fascinating journey through the world of botanical gardens and their vital importance in preserving our planet's precious plant life. Botanical gardens play a crucial role in plant conservation by preserving and nurturing the planet's diverse plant life. Plant biodiversity is essential for a healthy ecosystem, and these gardens contribute to its protection through ex situ conservation efforts. By cultivating and maintaining plant collections outside their natural habitats, botanical gardens can safeguard threatened species and help prevent extinction. In addition to their conservation work, botanical gardens collaborate with international organizations, such as the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, to create global networks for plant conservation. These collaborations enable the exchange of knowledge, resources, and expertise, strengthening worldwide efforts to protect our precious flora. Now that we've explored the role of botanical gardens in plant conservation, let's move on to their involvement in research and education initiatives. These gardens are not only beautiful spaces to enjoy but also serve as centers for scientific research on plant species and their habitats. They provide educational programs and resources for the public, fostering a love for plants and their conservation. Additionally, botanical gardens offer training opportunities for professionals in botany and horticulture, ensuring the continued growth and development of these vital fields. Botanical gardens play a vital role in research and education initiatives. They serve as hubs for scientific research on plant species and their habitats, helping us to better understand the needs and characteristics of various plants. This knowledge is crucial for effective plant conservation and promoting healthy ecosystems. Education is another key aspect of botanical gardens' mission. They offer a wide range of programs and resources for the public, fostering an appreciation for plants and their importance. From guided tours and workshops to hands-on learning experiences, botanical gardens help people of all ages connect with nature and understand the value of plant conservation. Additionally, botanical gardens provide training opportunities for professionals in botany and horticulture. By nurturing the next generation of experts, they ensure that the vital work of plant conservation continues to grow and evolve. Now that we've explored the research and education initiatives of botanical gardens, let's delve into their role as living museums. These gardens serve as unique spaces where rare and endangered plants can be displayed and conserved. They often feature themed gardens and collections, such as medicinal plants or tropical plants, showcasing the vast diversity of the plant world. Furthermore, botanical gardens hold great aesthetic and cultural value, providing visitors with a serene and inspiring environment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of plants. Botanical gardens are true living museums, displaying an incredible variety of rare and endangered plants from around the world. They help preserve plant biodiversity by housing these unique species in carefully curated environments that mimic their natural habitats. These gardens also feature themed collections, such as medicinal plants, tropical plants, or plants from specific regions. These collections provide visitors with an opportunity to explore and appreciate the vast diversity of plant life on Earth, while also learning about their various uses and cultural significance. Aesthetic and cultural value are central aspects of botanical gardens. They offer a serene and inspiring environment for visitors to connect with nature, appreciate the beauty of plants, and reflect on the intricate relationships between humans and the natural world. With this understanding of botanical gardens as living museums, let's now explore their role in community engagement and citizen science. These institutions encourage public involvement in conservation efforts, and many botanical gardens host citizen science programs and projects. By involving the community in the study and conservation of plants, botanical gardens create a sense of ownership and shared responsibility for our planet's biodiversity. Moreover, community engagement offers numerous benefits for botanical gardens, such as increased public support, awareness, and funding for conservation initiatives. Community engagement and citizen science are crucial aspects of botanical gardens' mission. By encouraging public involvement in conservation efforts, these institutions foster a sense of shared responsibility for our planet's biodiversity. Many botanical gardens host citizen science programs and projects, which provide an opportunity for people of all ages and backgrounds to contribute to scientific research and learn more about plants and their environments. Community engagement offers numerous benefits for botanical gardens, such as increased public support, awareness, and funding for conservation initiatives. These efforts help to bridge the gap between science and society, inspiring future generations to care for our planet and its diverse array of plant life. Now, let's shift our focus to the role of botanical gardens in urban environments. In increasingly urbanized settings, botanical gardens contribute significantly to urban biodiversity and green spaces. These oases of nature provide essential habitats for various plant and animal species, while also offering environmental and mental health benefits to city dwellers. By providing green spaces for recreation, relaxation, and contemplation, botanical gardens contribute to the well-being of urban populations. In addition, botanical gardens promote sustainable practices and eco-friendly initiatives, such as water conservation, composting, and the use of renewable energy sources. By showcasing these initiatives, they serve as models for sustainable living and inspire visitors to adopt similar practices in their own lives. Botanical gardens play a vital role in urban environments, as they contribute to urban biodiversity and the creation of green spaces. These gardens provide essential habitats for various plant and animal species, while offering environmental and mental health benefits to city dwellers. By providing places for recreation, relaxation, and contemplation, botanical gardens contribute to the well-being of urban populations. In addition to their ecological benefits, botanical gardens promote sustainable practices and eco-friendly initiatives. Examples include water conservation, composting, and the use of renewable energy sources. As living models of sustainability, these institutions inspire visitors to adopt similar practices in their own lives. From the United Kingdom's Kew Gardens to Singapore Botanic Gardens and the New York Botanical Garden in the United States, these institutions showcase the incredible diversity of plant life on our planet. Each garden has its unique features and collections, offering visitors a chance to explore and appreciate the beauty and significance of plants from all corners of the globe. Let's start our tour of notable botanical gardens with Kew Gardens in the United Kingdom. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, located in London, is home to the world's largest and most diverse botanical collections. Kew Gardens boasts over 50,000 living plant species and a herbarium with more than 7 million preserved specimens. The garden is also involved in numerous conservation and research initiatives, making it a global leader in the field of botany. Next up is the Singapore Botanic Gardens, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. This garden is renowned for its stunning tropical plant collections and serves as a significant center for research and conservation in Southeast Asia. One of its most famous attractions is the National Orchid Garden, which houses the largest collection of tropical orchids in the world. Across the globe in the United States, the New York Botanical Garden, NYBG, stands as a living museum and a center for plant research, education, and conservation. NYBG is well known for its diverse plant collections and themed gardens, including a 50-acre native forest, a rock garden, and a stunning conservatory featuring tropical and temperate plants. These are just a few of the many incredible botanical gardens around the world, each contributing to the conservation and appreciation of our planet's plant life. As we move forward, botanical gardens face various challenges and opportunities, including adapting to climate change, integrating new technologies, and strengthening global collaboration. Let's explore these future developments and how botanical gardens will continue to evolve and innovate in the face of these challenges. As we look towards the future of botanical gardens, it is essential to consider the challenges and opportunities they face. One of the most pressing concerns is climate change and the need for adaptation. Botanical gardens must adjust their practices and plant collections to accommodate changing temperatures, precipitation patterns, and the potential loss of some habitats. By doing so, they can continue to serve as vital resources for conservation, research, and education. Another area of growth and innovation for botanical gardens lies in the integration of new technologies and innovative approaches. This could include using drones for aerial monitoring, implementing advanced data analysis techniques for research, and even embracing virtual and augmented reality to enhance visitor experiences. Finally, botanical gardens will continue to play a crucial role in strengthening global collaboration and partnerships. By working together and sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise, these institutions can contribute significantly to plant conservation, habitat restoration, and the understanding of the world's plant life. As we conclude our exploration of botanical gardens and their importance, it's clear that these living museums serve a vital role in preserving our planet's plant biodiversity, providing valuable education and research opportunities, and contributing to the well-being of both humans and the environment. We encourage you to visit and support your local botanical gardens, and to take an active role in promoting plant conservation and appreciation. Together, we can ensure that these extraordinary institutions continue to thrive and inspire future generations. In conclusion, botanical gardens hold a significant place in our world as they play a crucial role in preserving plant biodiversity, providing valuable education and research opportunities, and contributing to the well-being of both humans and the environment. As we've discussed, these living museums offer a glimpse into the fascinating world of plants, while also serving as essential resources for plant conservation, research, and public engagement. We encourage each and every one of you to visit and support your local botanical gardens. Not only will you be immersing yourself in the beauty and wonder of the natural world, but you'll also be contributing to the vital work these institutions carry out to protect and preserve our planet's incredible plant life. Lastly, we urge you to take an active role in promoting plant conservation and appreciation. Share your experiences at botanical gardens with your friends, family, and online communities, and participate in local conservation efforts and citizen science projects. Together, we can ensure that these extraordinary institutions continue to thrive, educate, and inspire future generations.